MI-7927E electric desk converter with USB port assembly. Remove the converter with the help of another person. Place it on a flat surface. Carefully cut the safety ties. Attach all cables as shown. Screw in the 6 provided screws to the steel plates on each side of the back of the keyboard tray. Lift the desktop to a comfortable height, then press the handles in on each side while inserting the keyboard tray into the slots and tighten the screws using the provided wrench until secure. Use the provided zip ties to manage your cables as shown.